Welcome back. I'm Iskit. Let's get into today's topic. Today, I want to talk about AI anxiety. And first, let me say this clearly. AI anxiety is real. If you are a developer, a designer, a lawyer, a doctor, and you feel uneasy, uncertain, or even afraid, that reaction makes sense. Because for the first time in our careers, machines are not just assisting us, they are performing tasks that look like our jobs. Every week we see headlines: AI replaces developers, AI builds full apps in a weekend. One person launches a startup with AI, and naturally you are start asking yourself, what is left for me? Is my skill still valuable? Did I waste years learning this? But here is the problem. Most AI anxiety is based on the wrong assumption. Many professionals believe my value comes from execution, writing code, designing interface, searching documents, producing drafts, remembering patterns, and AI is extremely good at execution. This is not a flaw. This is the design. AI was built to reduce repetitive work, but your real value was never pure execution. Your real value was judgment and responsibility. Let me explain. AI can generate code, but it cannot decide what should be built. AI can suggest solutions, but it cannot determine acceptable risks. AI can provide answers, but it cannot take responsibility when those answers fail. In the real world, responsibility is expensive. When systems break, when money is lost, when data leaks, someone must stand there and say, this was my decision. That someone is not AI, that someone is human. The reason AI anxiety feels intense is because it touches identity. If you believe your identity equals execution and execution becomes automated, it feels like you are being erased. But if you understand that value migrating upward from execution to judgment, then AI becomes leverage and not replacement. So instead of asking, can AI replace my job? Asking this instead, what decisions am I trusted to make? If you are not trusted with judgment, that is not an AI problem. That is a positioning problem. Technology evolves, tools accelerate, execution becomes cheaper, judgment becomes rarer, responsibility becomes more valuable. This series is not about fighting AI. This is about understanding where value is moving. In the next episode, we will look at why front end developers seem to feel the pressure first and what they tell us about the structure of software work. If you want the structured breakdown of this episode, including the key judgment models, I've documented everything in my public knowledge base. You can find the link in the description. I treat these videos as conversations, but the report is the long-term thinking archive. See you in next episode. Bye bye.